Hello YouTube and welcome back to Allie's Wonderland Creations. I am Alice Seraphin and I am a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator here in the Pacific Northwest in that wonderful little town of Belfair, Washington, Hickville, USA as I love to call it. Go Bulldogs! It is football season again, and yes, my grandson plays for North Mason Pee-wees. Yes, in the heat. So anyways, am I excited? Yes. Am I a crazy football fan? No. What I'm crazy about is my grandson. So I am all in for whatever it is he chooses to do. If tomorrow, no, I can't say that. If tomorrow he decides he does not want to play football, I'm going to tell him, no, you are still going. You are still going because unless something were to happen. But no, you are not quitting. We do not do that unless there was a real good reason. But if next year, if you were to decide and say, hey, I just don't feel like playing football, I would say, okay, what do you want to do? Let's try to get you out there and do something, because, you know, sitting on your duff doing absolutely nothing is not good either. Children need interaction with other children, and I would do my best to support him in getting him into, even if it was just the Lego club that they have down at the library once a week. I would let him go do that if that's something he wanted to do. But just so he has some social interaction with other kids, it's really important. Nowadays, you can't let kids run the streets like my generation did. You can't. It's not safe out there for that kind of stuff. So anyways, this is July 2025's Paper Pumpkin Alternative Video number 7. I am doing a little bit of prep work as I can't believe this week is going to be crazy, crazy, crazy. So tomorrow I'm going to go help my Aunt Carol again. And then the first, this video, you're going to see this on the first, that's my day out with my Aunt Carol. We go to lunch, we go to the Dinky, the thrift stores, I run her around, we do her errands, we do the grocery shopping, the big stuff that you need, you know, everyday stuff. Toilet paper, necessities, things like that. We shove it all into my tiny little car, or hers. This time we're going to shove it in my little car. And so I was like, oh my goodness, I need another video. So here we go. And I only have about 35 minutes because Hank's got to go to football. So here we go. This kit is called Sweeter With You. And it's a little different as you make 8 cards instead of 9. But you can make 2 of this one, 2 of this one, 2 of this one, 2 of this one with the 8 identical envelopes, or you can do like me and do whatever you please, right? So this QR code would lead you to a video that would show you how to put this kit together as it is designed. Visual of everything in the kit. Down here it lists those coordinating colors, which videos 1 through 5 I walk you through everything. I talk about the coordinating colors. After that we mosey along, kind of like my dog Miss Titi, who has no get up and go at all. She goes at her own pace, just like Hank. So down here it says, there's a typo, it says contains supplies for 9 cards and 9 envelopes, but that is incorrect. It only contains cards and supplies for 8 cards, 8 envelopes. This one over here would lead you to this set, right? 9 dies, and they are called the Circle of Season dies. They will coordinate with July, August, and September's Paper Pumpkin kit. Heads up, September's kit has a coordinating suite that will be in the upcoming mini catalog. It will be available August 6th for demonstrators alike. So here we go. The stamps are hello friend, life is sweeter with you, thank you, you're the best, love you lots, this little flower, that little flower, this leaf, and the strawberry. With that being said, let's see what we have. And I'm just now thinking, oh yes, I can use just a note or the thank you, just a note, you're the best. I think we are going to do that. We're going to change it up at the last minute, right? They're like, why? Because I can. So just a note, this one that we're going to use is from the December 2024's Paper Pumpkin. You all know how much I love that stamp set. It is handy dandy and we are going to use it. So let's show you what I have. We're doing a note card. Card base is 4 7/8 by 7, scored at 3.5. Matching envelope. Had to make my own card base to go with the envelopes because I made a mistake. Now this is a little bit different because I wasn't paying attention when I cut my DSP. This DSP, I decided on this because the flower is a little similar to that in the kit. It is from Softly Stippled. Yes, it's retired. This layer number 1 is 3 1/8 by 4 1/2. It's going to fit in there. We're just going to have a little bit wider of a border. So we're going to glue this one down. We're going to glue layers down as we go through them. Why am I getting a video in now? Because I can. Tomorrow I will have no opportunity whatsoever. There just won't be. With helping my Aunt Carol in football, and then no, there just isn't a chance. So this little beauty, this is layer number 2. It is 2 3/4 by 4 1/2. This is left over from video number 6. This is just getting glued in its rightful place, right? Thank goodness we have all of the gear still in the car. We didn't even bother taking it out. We just left it. I could have trimmed it down a little bit more, but it's gonna do just fine. I was looking for something simple to do. This just kind of fell into place, and we have to rotate it this way. I just realized, yes. So that's layer number 2. Layer number 3. Now this is one of the stitched rectangle dies that measures 2 1/4 by 3 1/2. The reason being is because this was in my scrap bit of Poppy Parade, guys. Yeah, that's how it works sometimes. I was looking for a bit of Poppy Parade when I found this already in there. I was like, ooh, yeah, baby, that will work. All of these layers for this tiny little note card, yes, you betcha. Because all for this little piece of ephemera. It frames it perfectly, right? It does. So layer number 4 is ephemera from the kit, the striped rectangles. And guys, I'm going to get one chance because I should have stamped on this. Yeah. I should have, was I stamping on this or was I using the circle? Because see, now I can't remember. I wasn't using the circle. Okay, we're going to go. That's what it's going to look like when we're done. So I'm going to grab a stamp and pierce mat possibly, and we're just going to stamp, and we're going to get it done, right? If not, I have an extra piece of ephemera we can stamp again. Oh, I guess we're not using just a note is for the inside. Maybe the envelope, because now I remember that's not what I was doing. Sometimes that's how it goes. We're going to put the hello friend back together. You're wondering, why does she cut things apart and then put them back together? Because I can. All right, so here's my friend that I cut apart from hello. So there it is. Right here is where it's cut apart. I'm going to stick those like that. I'm going to mount it on my block, and I have hello friend. Da-da-da-da. Yes, that's how I do. Da-da-da-da. That's the best sound effects I can do. I'm not good with technology, so got to go with what I can do with my own self. All right. We're doing hello friend kind of up here, right? 1, 2, 3, and the reveal. Da-da-da-da, right? Yes. And then we're going to stamp. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Layer number 5 is this little pool party sentiment strip. It says, "You're the best." Right there. Don't you mess up there. Not now. I don't need that, right? So we have hello friend, you're the best, and then a little strawberry using the Circle of Season dies. And that's how simple this is. On the inside, we can do just a note. We can do thank you. There's so many you can do. We can also stamp life is sweeter with you, which I think we'll go ahead and go with that one. We'll do just a note on the envelope, since I went ahead and put it on a block after all of that. Oh, I think we're going to get a flower out of the kit too. I didn't pull one of those. So let's go ahead. I wonder why I had that out. I pulled it for something and now I don't remember what. Will this fit? Ha 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 ha. Oh, no, we're going to put it right here in front. Just a note. And I do want All right. Since I have both of these flowers, this one still doesn't have the smushy dance done, so we're going to take that one off. We're going to get some Daffodil Delight. Move Poppy Parade. That's our envelope. Just one on the inside. Now let's go ahead and finish this card up. You're the best right there. Where's my glue? No dimensionals. I don't have time to get that. I really don't. I need to go. I need to get socks and shoes on. I need to get the water done. Some ice in them. I have water. I want to scoot it down so there's a little white around that. Hello, friend. Life is sweeter with you. You're the best. That's perfect. We're going to do the stickily glitter glue on this card. And check, we're done. Yes, I got this. Guess what? Saturday we get a break. They made an error when they posted that there was this Battle of the Hatchet. That's for the end of the month, which makes more sense because I was like, how can these kids only practice for 1 week? That just didn't make sense, and that was a boo-boo. So yes, we have the weekend off, which is so nice. So since we don't have much going on this card, we are going to make our little strawberry look like it's got some little gorgeousness going on there. So that's it. So I hope you guys like this one. Sorry this is short and sweet, but this is why I can't do my Wednesday series, guys, because it is just too, there's just too much going on. And like I said, I'm all in with them. It's life is short, and we're all he has. There is no other side of the family for little Hank. Sometimes it makes me tear up because I know that his other grandparents are literally not even an hour's drive away, and they have never made an attempt to see him since he was 2. And they've had the opportunity and they chose not to. So he's got us. And boy, I tell you what, I don't want him to ever think that he's missing out. So we try to make sure he knows that, I mean, you can't make up for that, but you can make sure that he knows you're all in for him, and we are. And that's what we do, and we're here. So thanks for understanding, and I hope to see you all again here soon in my Wonderland. Bye-bye for now, everybody. Go Bulldogs, right? Bye-bye for now.